Hello and welcome to this first lecture on using AI to build your personality traits. In this course, AI for personality development for a successful career and life. So we will talk about how to pick one trait every month so that you don't overwhelm yourself. And this from we will pick from these three traits. One of them would be confidence and self-belief. Second one would be emotional control and maturity, and third will be communication and presence. So how do you think you can go about picking one trait every month so that you don't overwhelm yourself? Any thoughts? You will find that you have many traits you want to improve, like confidence, communication, discipline, emotional control, etc., etc. But if you try to work on all of them, you will improve none of them. So what you need to do is to use this three-step selection method that we're going to outline to pick exactly one meaningful, realistic trait every month. So the first step is to start with your biggest three weaknesses list. Earlier, you would have identified many improvement areas, and now you just need to narrow down to three weaknesses that matter most. Your weakness one would be one which has highest impact on your career, high impact on your career. Second weakness would be something that has high impact on your relationship. And third weakness is that has impact on your confidence and self-worth. So you're picking three areas of your life: career, relationship, and yourself. Now, these are your candidate traits for improvement, right? So start with these three. Then you pick the easiest win for this month. Don't pick up the hardest weakness. Start with the trait that gives you this month particularly, you know, and that's where what you need. Fast improvement, requires small daily efforts, gives you visible results, and also provides you motivational momentum because you need to keep doing for 30 days, right? Now, AI tools like ChatGPT can help you evaluate each weakness using a quick scoring model that you will see now. So you would have these criteria: ease of improvement, impact if improved, daily effort required, and how motivated you feel. And you score on a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being best, 1 being lowest. And accordingly, then you see which of the ones is the right one for you. And there you need to pick the trait with highest scores. And what this method does, it prevents overwhelm and ensures early success. Third step is to make sure that it's a keystone trait. Now, what is a keystone trait? Now, keystone is a word that is borrowed from architecture, and it is that central stone that you see in the structure that supports all the others. So, it's a keystone trait like this, borrowed into psychology, is one improvement that automatically improves other areas. And some of the examples of keystone traits are, like discipline, it improves habits, consistency, productivity. Emotional control improves relationship, decision making, stress. Communication improves leadership, networking, and opportunities. And confidence improves visibility, risk taking, and speaking. And accordingly, we have picked up those three traits, which are the keystone traits. So pick a trait that gives you multiple returns. And let's take a look at the final rule of choosing one trait every month. So pick a trade that's easiest, you know, gives you highest ROI and is most motivating because that will keep you going, that will give you the returns, that will be easy to do. And after 30 days, evaluate and move to the next. And this will give you consistency, quick wins, long-term growth, and zero overwhelm. So these are the final rules for choosing a trade every month. Let's take a look at an example to make it simpler. Supposing your top three weaknesses are poor communication, confidence, lack of self discipline, and your scores are what you see here. So, based on this scoring, you would pick up the communication as this month because it gives you easy, measurable improvement, gives you big impact at work, gives you high motivation, and gives you faster, visible results. So, that's what is an example for you to look at and consider. So what do we do next now? So in the next one, we will look at the first trait, first keystone trait of confidence and self-belief, and we will take a look at how can you use AI to reframe negative self-talk and visualize success so that you improve on confidence and self-belief. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on using AI to build personality traits. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy. And I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.